Hey, I got a Winix air purifier. I'm going to show you how to switch out the filters. The carbon and the HEPA filter, you're going to switch these out about once a year. There's also a filter light on the unit when it's time to switch it out. And then your pre-filter, that one you're going to clean out every 2 to 4 weeks. Now your front panel here, this comes right off. Just pull it off nice and easy. Now we got our pre-filter first. So this filter will filter out like big particles of hair and dust. You can see how dirty this is. So I'm probably a little overdue on cleaning this. If your pre-filter is dirty, it's going to restrict your airflow and it's going to make your unit less efficient. We're just going to go ahead, take a vacuum this off. That was really easy to do. I think the vacuum works great. You can also rinse this out with water, but if you use water, make sure you let it dry first. That's why I like the vacuum. So now we'll go to the other two filters. So we have our carbon filter right here. That's what's gonna filter out all of your smells and odors. Then you have your HEPA filter here. This one goes in last. This is for like your fine particles, your allergens. Now we're gonna take our new filter here. Now, some of these are directional. The official Winix ones have a directional arrow. You can also reference the pull tabs. The pull tabs are going to go towards the front, so you want to make sure this is lined up correctly. And this slides right in, easy fit. Now we'll go to our carbon filter. Once again, this has a directional arrow. I'll also reference the pull tab here. That's going to go towards the front. Then you have your pre-filter here. There's a couple tabs on the top. These are just going to clip in. And then your front panel, there's a tab on the top here, a little slot that's going to line up with this light here so you know which way you're going. There's 2 slots on the bottom. We line those up. This clips right in. To reset the filter light, just find your filter reset button, hold it for 5 seconds, and the unit will beep. This is such an easy process. I love this air purifier. I love how easy it is to swap out these filters. Once again, clean your pre-filter every couple weeks, 2 to 4 weeks, and then your other 2 filters about once a year.